Hi everybody, I'm Master Kelly. Now we're going to start with warm-up today. We're going to learn a new Korean word. This word is called 준비. So see what I'm doing right here? We're going to start in 준비 position. When I say fighting stance, hands up. Good. Awesome. Alright, we're going to practice some upjins and hujins. So upjin in Korean means forward. Okay, see how I move forward? Now when I say hujin, you're going to move back. Okay, so let's try that. Ready, go. Upjin, hujin. Good. Upjin, hujin. Good job again. Ready? Now this time we're gonna switch our feet, do the other side. Make sure you keep your body turned so that way you're hiding your stomach from the target. Ready? Upjin. Good. Hujin. Good job. Upjin. Hujin. Excellent work. Upjin. Hujin. Nice. Good job, you guys. Have five. Awesome. Ow. Ow, they hurt my hand. Wow, you guys, good job. Good job. Awesome. Ready? Now this time, try it. Can you? Alright, ready? We're gonna do fighting stance again. Now this time, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna practice jab, cross, hujin, cross. Okay, so we're doing 2 punches with a counter. Jab, cross, hujin, cross. Nice, excellent job, you guys. Let's try that again. Ready, go. This time, try to be faster than me. You think you can? Say yes, sir. All right, ready? Go jab, cross, hujin, cross. Ooh, that's pretty quick. Think you guys can beat me? Try it. Ready, go jab, cross, hujin, cross. Awesome job, you guys. Now one more time. Jab, cross, hujin, cross. Excellent work. Good job. Have five, you guys. All right. Now we got a big challenge. Probably seen this from Karate Kid. We're going to practice the crane kick. We're going to pick up our knee like this, keeping our balance. Now what we're going to do is that we're going to jump with the other leg and throw a kick. And we're going to throw a front snap kick. Okay, so let's try that. Ready? Hold the position like the Karate Kid. Ready? Now we're going to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Jump and kick. Awesome job. All right, let's try that in Korean this time. Ready? Let's go with 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Good. Go. Awesome. Good job again. Ready? Let's try to touch the ceiling. Try to hit the ceiling if you can. Ready? Pick up your leg. Ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Nice. Very good kicks, you guys. Have five. Very good work. Awesome. All right, 차리에. Kanye. Awesome job. All right, back to fighting stance. All right, now here's what we're gonna do now. This time, we're gonna practice wax on, wax off. So we're gonna practice parrying punches. Okay, so when a punch comes out your face, you wax on, wax off. So that way it doesn't hit your face. Okay, we call this a parry in boxing. Okay, or in Muay Thai, we call this a parry. We're gonna wax on, wax off. Wax on, wax off. Wax on, wax off. Just like that. Wax on, wax off. Good. Wax on, wax off. Good work. Now this time, if there's a kick coming at us, a push kick, we use a very same move, a very same technique in Muay Thai. Okay, so what we're going to do is that you're going to use that hand and you're going to wax away just like that. Okay, ready? Again. Wax on, wax off. Good job. Again. Wax on, wax off. Awesome. Again. Wax on, wax off. Good. Again. Good job, you guys. Have five, have five, have five. 차리에. Kenya. Very good job today. See you all later.
Hey homeschool parents, are you looking for an activity to help your kids get more active, more resilient, more confident, and more focused? Hi, my name is Taylor Kelly, founder and creator of Dojo Go, the complete online homeschool martial arts curriculum. If your kids have never done martial arts before, we've got the perfect solution for you. Introducing the 6-week Kids Transformation Martial Arts course. The purpose of this program is to give homeschool families just like you the life-changing benefits of martial arts all online for ages 4 to 12 years old. As a homeschooler myself, I had the opportunity to meet many other homeschoolers at Co-op, and I know for a fact that finding an activity like martial arts can be difficult either because A, there aren't any homeschool programs that offer it, B, the schedule doesn't work out, and C, it's really expensive. We created this program because for over 10 plus years, we've helped many children make complete life-changing transformations with our martial arts programs. And we want to extend that opportunity for you as homeschool parents now. But our videos aren't just some follow-along videos you can find on YouTube. These videos take your kids through a 6-week interactive martial arts story. Meet Dojo, the orange belt monkey whose very first white belt was stolen by the evil scientist Dr. Fist. Every week the kids will learn different self-defense techniques, martial arts terminology, and gain strength and flexibility with 30-minute videos 3 times per week. All for the purpose of defeating Dr. Fist's minions, and maybe even Dr. Fist himself. Included with the videos are worksheets, a fully printable calendar, a map for the kids to follow along their progress, and an opportunity to test for their very first white belt in uniform at the end of 6 weeks with me personally via video call. Excited to start? Click the link below to join our program now.